Hey guys, this is the install video for the 22 Plus WRX V1 diffuser. Very simple. You start off with the 4 bolts on the side. Make sure you clamp those together and you'll make a full one-piece diffuser. And on to the next step, you'll see we have the brackets here. Step 1, please remove the sway bar bolts. Once you remove that, assert the big bracket and put back the nuts and make sure you tighten those. The next step here is make sure you get the small brackets and insert it to these 2 holes right under the middle section of the diffuser. Very simple, and this might be a little tricky here, so to get your hand in there, but once you get it in, it should look like this before you put the diffuser on. 2 brackets in the front and 2 in the rear. Next step is to take off the 3 plastic clips on the side of the bumper. Super easy, use a flathead and it should come off. Next step is put the diffuser under the car, insert the 4 bolts as you can see above, by hand first, make sure they're all screwed in properly and you don't cross thread them. And then put back the 3 clips on both sides of the bumper and you will see that everything is on properly. Then you get your tool and then you tighten everything down. Once everything is tightened down, your diffuser is ready to go. There are no pattern to tighten, so whichever you prefer, it will work. Now that you have tightened your bolts, enjoy your new V1 diffuser for your 22 WRX.